Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today I am testing out my very first vlog camera, and now I officially feel like a vlogger. I'm going to take you along on my day off, and I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is very wet. I just got out of the shower. This morning I woke up early and went to Pilates, and then I made some breakfast and I posted a couple of YouTube shorts. Now I am going to try and lure my cat into the cat carrier because I need to take him to get his nails trimmed. Let me show you why I need to get his nails trimmed. The other day he was trying to climb up on my lap and he accidentally scratched my leg. So it is a little bruised up and very scratched up. This is Louis, and this is his favorite treat, which I rarely give him because it's not very healthy, but it is a great tool to get him into the cat carrier. He goes into a trance when I give him this. Okay, let's see if he will follow me in the scent. Oh, he's very excited. He's also very smart, so I think he is starting to sense why I'm giving him this treat. So I think I need to put my camera away because it is becoming a little bit difficult of a mission. Come on. We're getting closer. There's the carrier. Let's see how smart he is. Okay, this is a great opportunity to test out the tripod. All right, we made it to the pet spa, and I'm just waiting for this big husky to get out of the way because I don't want to scare my cat. But my cat is being very patient right now, and he will get more treats when we get back home. Here he is. Okay, now that the husky is out of the way, we are going to head in. We are going to Lucky's Grooming. I literally walked in 5 minutes ago, and he's already done, so now we're heading home. I guess he's not that mad. Oh, there's my dog. Here, Louie. It's not for you. We are heading across the street to my preferred area of walking Nari when I have time. So I will show you how the neighborhood looks in just a moment. This is the nicer part of my neighborhood. I like this terracotta color on this house. Nari is very excited to be in the fancy part of the neighborhood because on my street there's a lot of noise and usually a lot of construction. She seems to be pacing around, so she must smell something interesting. Also on this street, there are not many pedestrians or other dogs. The grass is cut very nicely. We have some fancy cars driving by. Nari is looking to mark her territory. There are two different types of grass. This is turf, which is fake grass. You can see how perfect it is. This side street has less cars driving by. It is also a very nice residential neighborhood. This house is fun. It's light pink and has tropical vibes. There's another light pink house. We have a white house over here. There are no cars parked on the left side of the road today because we have street sweeping. Street sweeping is when the city hires people to move the leaves and trash and junk on the sides of the roads. I actually don't understand the purpose of it because the roads still look dirty to me. So I guess it really is just sweeping the junk to the side. The sky is clear, not a cloud in the sky. We have a pine tree. We have ivy leaves. Look at this tree. These leaves are bigger than both of my hands put together. When I first moved to Los Angeles, I always thought it was interesting how the palm trees sway to one side. The grass in this part of the neighborhood is very dry and dehydrated. We do not get a lot of rain, especially in the summer. I've been watching this house get built. It is I think what they call modern farmhouse. I think it's beautiful. Look at the size of that one flower. Nari and I just got back from an hour-long walk. So pretty long, and she is resting now. And I have been waiting for a day off to play around with this hair styling kit. So what it does is it forms your hair in a wave-like curl, and it does not use heat, so it doesn't damage the hair. I've seen influencers use this and I wanted to give it a go. I kind of miss my former career as a hairstylist, so this gives me an opportunity to play around. Step 1, and I'm doing this for the first time, so I might mess up. Step 1 is place curling ribbon on top of your damp or dry hair and use a clip to secure in place. My hair is dry. You can put this roller in your hair dry, but my hair will not form the curl if it's already dry. So I'm going to use my old hairstylist spray bottle. How cute is this? And I'm going to spray my hair so that it's a little bit more damp. I got this cute spray bottle from my old hairstylist mentor. And I think they brought it back from Korea or Japan. Okay, my hair is damp. Now I'm going to evenly distribute the dampness by brushing it. I think I need a little bit more water on the ends. Okay. So now I will place this so it's on top of my head, like they said, and use a clip to secure in place. Voila. Okay, I look so funny right now. This kit came with 2 scrunchies. So I will use this. It's silk material, so it's really soft and it will not add a crimp on the end. My hair is already drying out. It seems very simple. I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and they said to wrap it around. I will probably cut my hair into quarters, and I will wrap it like this. Okay, I think sectioning the hair like that actually makes a lot of sense. Scrunchie. I like to leave the ends out when I curl my hair so it gives more of a natural beach wave. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm starting to get more and more gray hair as I get older. I'm going to turn 36 this September. Gray hair. I don't mind the gray hair because it reminds me that I'm becoming more wise with age. But I do not want to go fully gray. All right, I think I'm done. So I will wait for it to fully dry. I can take this out. We will see what happens with all this stuff. It could be a total fail. We'll see. I will give you an update when it's fully dried. Okay, I am still waiting for my hair to dry so that I can have pretty curls. While I'm waiting, I am going to study some French. I have been taking a French course with Cuckoo, and Cuckoo is based in New York, and Los Angeles. I take classes online every Sunday. I just graduated from level apprenti, which was a very intensive level because it went into all the basic grammar rules, which are not very basic. Now, I am on level intermédiaire, which I'm assuming means intermediate. My homework for this week is to do a translation and wish me luck. The translation that I'm doing for my French homework, I think was written by the owner of the French school. And I wanted to read to you the last sentence that I have to translate. It says, J'espère que je mourrai quand j'aurai 95 ans dans mon sommeil, which says, I hope that I will die when I'm 95 in my sleep. Very random. I think my hair is fully dried now, so I'm going to remove this foam thing out of my hair, and fingers crossed that the waves turned out really pretty. First, I will remove the scrunchies. Next, I will pull from the top, and then I will tousle my hair. I think it worked. What do you think? This concludes this episode of Bo's Slow English. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this. Stay tuned for more content. Bye!